How to start dropshipping business, a complete playbook of 2020. So in this lecture I will discuss how to start a dropshipping business in 2016 2021. So here is a literature for the my lecture. I will explain it one by one in a brief manner. Learning how to start a dropshipping business, as with any type of venture, is not easy. Nevertheless, it's a great first step into world of entrepreneurship. You can sell at customers without holding any inventory. You don't need to pay for products upfront, and if you are serious about your new venture, you can build a sustainable source of income in the long run. If you are contemplating dropshipping, considering draw rather than this one, taking following business and financial steps in this complete dropshipping tutorial. Some are mandatory from the outset, while others are just a good idea. But dealing with them upfront will save your time, headache down the road. How does dropshipping business model work? So let's talk about this one in our brief lecture. That how does the dropshipping business model work? So let's start from the lecture that how it is start. Dropshipping is an order fulfillment method that lets store owners sell directly to customers without stocking any inventory. When a customer purchase a product from a dropshipping store or third-party suppliers ships it directly to them. The customer pays the detailed price you set. You pay the surprise wholesale price, and the rest is a profit. You never have to handle products of or invest in inventory. In order to sell best dropshipping products, you just need to register an account with a supplier. Yes, this is important point. You must note down it. You must register your account with the supplier. And we are now on a last not least slides of my lecture. Really important slide you must understand so far. First we have to two common ways to find a supplier for your dropshipping stores are through a supplier database like Dropshipping Direct, Alibaba, AliExpress. Using an integrated supplier direct in your store backed like Oberlo. The easiest way of dropshipping process of Shopify store is through Oberlo. You can millions of products from the Oberlo marketplace through AliExpress and import them direct to your store with click of a button. Thank you. If you have any kind of query, you may ask me in my comment box. Thank you very much.